What if I told you that you could work remotely for SHEIN and earn up to $100 per day from the comfort of your home? It's real, it's legit, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. SHEIN is one of the largest online fashion retailers in the world, and they're constantly looking for remote talent to support their growing business. From product testing to content creation, there are several ways you can work with SHEIN and earn money online. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast, content creator, or just someone looking for a flexible remote job, this opportunity is worth exploring. The first step is to understand the remote opportunities that SHEIN offers. One of the most popular options is becoming a product tester. SHEIN will send you free clothing or accessories, and your job is to provide detailed feedback on the quality, fit, and style. You're paid per item reviewed, and you also get to keep the products. For example, imagine receiving a $50 dress, reviewing it, and getting paid $20 for your feedback. That's a win-win situation. Another option is to join SHEIN's affiliate marketing program. As an affiliate, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This is a fantastic way to monetize your social media presence. For instance, you can share a curated SHEIN haul on Instagram or TikTok and earn 10% to 20% commission on every purchase made through your link. The more you share, the more you earn. If you have a social media following, you can also collaborate with SHEIN as a content creator or influencer. This involves creating promotional content, such as Instagram posts, TikTok videos, or YouTube hauls. SHEIN often provides free products and pays you for showcasing them. This is a great way to turn your love for fashion into a source of income. For those looking for a more stable and consistent job, SHEIN hires remote customer support representatives. In this role, you'll assist with customer inquiries, process refunds, and handle orders. It's a great option if you have strong communication skills and want a steady income. Once you've decided which opportunity suits you best, the next step is to apply. Start by visiting SHEIN's website and scrolling down to the footer. Look for the Careers or Affiliate Program section. If you're interested in product testing or customer support roles, search for relevant openings. If you're a content creator, sign up for the affiliate program at affiliates.shein.com. You can also send a professional pitch for collaborations, highlighting your audience, engagement rate, and previous experience. Platforms like Aspire or Upfluence can help connect you with SHEIN for influencer partnerships. To maximize your earnings, there are a few tips you should keep in mind. If you're a product tester, always provide detailed and honest feedback. This increases the chances of receiving more products to test. Including photos or videos in your reviews can also make you stand out. For affiliate marketers, focus on promoting trending or seasonal items to drive more sales. Creating engaging content like styling tips or how-to videos can boost your commissions. As a content creator, consistency is key. Regularly post high-quality content featuring SHEIN products to keep your audience engaged. For customer support representatives, delivering excellent service and being efficient in handling inquiries can open doors to promotions or additional responsibilities. The best part about working with SHEIN is that you can combine multiple opportunities. For example, you can be an affiliate marketer while also collaborating as a content creator. This allows you to diversify your income streams and potentially earn more than $100 per day. With a bit of effort and creativity, working remotely for SHEIN can become a rewarding and profitable experience. Which opportunity are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. See you in the next video.